Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's party, that means we are going to work out together. So the muscle group we are working today is our biceps and our shoulder. So what we're doing today is called progressive overloading. That means we are slowly adding repetitions and weight to our workouts to add more strength and also challenge our muscles a little bit for optimal muscle growth. Now the equipment we need is a resistance band and a pair of dumbbells or a sandbag. You would not need this equipment if you do not have them handy, but I would grab a pair of barbell at least because what we're doing is progressive overloading. So we need some sort of resistance or way to challenge our muscles. So the weight you pick today would be the weight that you're comfortable with, doing at least 20 repetitions and up higher from that. So the lightest weight possible to challenge your muscles. So if you like watching the content that I put over here in this channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. Also ring the notification bell so that you're notified every single time I upload a video. Also do follow me on Instagram. My ID is @Maria_Tom, which is going to be right over here. And you can see more of me over there as well. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, so let's get started. So all the exercises we are doing today are very simple, basic exercises, but we are challenging with more repetition and muscle. So first we are going to do bicep curls. So for that, just put the resistance band across your arm like this. Elbows snug across your body, nice and soft knees, and curl. We are going to do 15 biceps curls. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. So now we are going right away to hammer curls. For that, put your arm, make a fist with your arm, and then we're going to curl upwards. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 15 more. Sorry, 10 more. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ooh! Alright, my arms are on fire. Hope yours as well. Alright, next up we are going to do is shoulder press with our resistance band. So 15 shoulder presses. So when you bring your arm down, bring it nice and controlled, so that you're not just dropping your shoulder. Okay, last 5 more. Good job. All right, next up what we're going to do is shoulder press with front pulses. Okay, so this is 1. Shoulder press, pulse 2, shoulder press, pulse 3, shoulder press, pulse 4, shoulder press, pulse 5, shoulder press, pulse 6, keep going. Okay, last 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, good job, you guys. So the last exercise on this round is going to be the pulses. So we're just going to extend our arm up in the front and pulse 20 times. 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Alright, so we are going to take a minute rest and come back for round 2. Alright guys, so we are ready for round 2. For the round 2, we are going to get a pair of dumbbells or sandbags. So the weight I'm grabbing right now is 2.5. That is enough for me because you will see what I'm talking about. Alright, so we are going to do that bicep curl again with the resistance band and dumbbell. So this time we are shooting for 20 repetitions. Let's go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last 10. That's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. Oh yeah. It's burning, guys. I don't know about you guys. Mine. Alright. Now is the hammer curl. So with the hammer curl, what you're doing is you just changing the grip from this to this. And curl. Last 10. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Alright, shake those arms. Next up, we are going to do those shoulder presses. 20. Okay, last 10. Nice. Woo. Alright, so next up we are going to do those shoulder press to pulse. So we're just doing 10 of these. There you go. Alright, so the last exercise we have is front pulses. So last time we did 20. We are going to stick with 20 because we are adding that extra weight. Now if you want to be more challenging, go ahead and do 25. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I'm going to do 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. So we are going to take another 1 minute rest and we'll come back. See you soon. Our last set. Now it was very hard, but we are going to aim for 25 repetitions this time. Okay, let's see where it takes us. If we can, we're going to do 30. All right. Okay, let's go. In 3, 2, 1. Bicep cross. Sorry, biceps curls. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Can we do 10 more? Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't give up. You're almost there. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo! Good job, you guys. All right. Next up, we are going to do the hammer cross. So change your grip from front facing to lateral facing. And here we go. In 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's do 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2 more, 9, 10. Good job. Shake those arms. Next up, we are going to do those shoulder press. So we're gonna stick with 10, but let's see how it goes. We might do 15 or even 20. Okay. So let's go. In 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's do 10 more. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, great guys, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. All right, so we got 2 more exercises and we are good. So next up, we are going to aim for 10 reps, but we might do 15 or 20. Okay, just feeling on top, depending on how we do. That's my baby, by the way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, shall we do 5 more? Let's see. Let's aim for 5 more. 1. Okay, guys. 2. Last 3 more. Don't give up. 3. 4. 5. Whoa. My goodness. Alright, guys. So the last and final exercise. We are gonna do 50 repetitions this time. Okay, 50. We're gonna finish up strong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 20. Halfway. 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 38, 39, 40 plus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job, you guys. So, we did it. It was an amazing workout. My arms are on fire. So, if you do this workout every other day for the next couple of weeks, you are going to have those beautiful biceps and those bolder round shoulders for summer. Before finishing up, we are going to do some stretches for that muscles as well. Alright, so lift your arm up, hold your left arm with your right arm, and stretch. Hold your left arm with your right arm, and stretch. Sorry, my baby, that's just the story of my life, you guys. Alright, bring your right arm forward. Stretch. And the other. Stretch. Interlace your fingers. Stretch up. And pause. Alright, good job. That's it. Hey y'all, so hopefully you had an amazing workout with me, with my baby Leo's noise in the background. I hope it was enjoyable. Please give this video a big old thumbs up. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, do follow me on Instagram at Anna_Marie_Tom. You can see more of me and Leo over there as well. Alright, so we will see you next week with another fresh workout video. Goodbye.